2018 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV review. The Outlander PHEV brings affordable plug-in charging to some segment dominated by luxury models. The 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV supplies a reason to consider another this family SUV. While the regular Outlander lacks improved and refinement of the company's many competitors, the revolutionary PHEV model is amongst the first vehicles to take plug-in recharging chance to the SUV class. Mitsubishi has sold the Outlander PHEV in other global markets for just 2 years. Now it can make its debut inside the United States. Starting at about $35,000 before applicable tax credits, the Outlander PHEV looks essentially the same as its gas engine counterpart. But with the PHEV decals and badging, you would not know the difference. It's a new story underneath the hood, certainly where a 4-cylinder gas engine joins electric hybrid components. The engine and electric motor combination drives the leading wheels, while an extra electric motor drives the corner wheels. Sophisticated computer processing determines the ultimate way to dole out chance to all 4 wheels, although drivers may also manually engage a 4-wheel drive lock mode when desired. Total system output is 197 horsepower. The Outlander PHEV's key fascinate most drivers are going to be its plug-in rechargeability. Mitsubishi says the Outlander plug-in can travel about 22 miles using a full charge, and you may charge from 120 volt, 240 volt or DC fast charger sources. Well, wait to hear what real-world driving actually yields, but 22 miles on all-electric power is just like how far you'll be able to go in other plug-in hybrids. Less impressive may be the Outlander PHEV's fuel economy in the event the rechargeable battery is essentially depleted. At just 25 miles per gallon in combined city highway driving, it genuinely does a bit worse than the usual regular 4-cylinder Outlander with all-wheel drive 26 miles per gallon. A non-plug-in Toyota RAV4 hybrid posts 32 miles per gallon combined. Plug-in utility requires some additional sacrifices. Unlike the conventional Outlander, the PHEV doesn't offer 3 rows of seats because of placement of battery pack and electrical components. Mitsubishi also were required to use a smaller gas tank with all the PHEV, which limits overall gas-electric driving range. But with 78 cubic feet of maximum cargo space and standard all-wheel drive, the PHEV still rates to be a proper SUV. If you need the place and utility and you also like the idea of maximizing miles through electricity, the Outlander PHEV warrants a detailed look. What's new? Although according to an existing design, the 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is undoubtedly an all-new plug-in hybrid vehicle. We think it's worth springing with the GT trim as soon as you figure in a typical federal tax rebate for plug-in hybrid vehicles. It costs over the base model. Even so, the addition of key accident avoidance features forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning along with luxuries, such as being a sunroof, heated controls, multi-view camera, upgraded speakers, as well as rear household-style power outlets, justify the jump. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is usually a 5-passenger plug-in hybrid SUV offered into 2 trim levels, SUL and GT. Both are powered using a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 117 horsepower joined using a 60 kilowatt electric motor. The amalgamation drives leading wheels, and another 60 kilowatts motor powers the spine wheels. Total system output is rated at 197 horsepower. Electrical power is trapped in a 12 kilowatt lithium-ion power supply. Standard features include 18-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights with LED accents, fog lights, heated side mirrors, automatic wipers, an energy liftgate, keyless entry, push-button start, leather upholstery, power-adjustable heated front seats, 6040 split folding and reclining rear seats, dual zone automatic climate control, a rear view camera, voice controls, Bluetooth, a 6-speaker audio system, a 7-inch touchscreen display, dual USB ports, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. Driver safety aids include blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Stepping nearly, the GT adds LED headlights and fog lights, a sunroof, a heated controls, a multi-view camera, dual AC power outlets rated approximately 1,500 watts, and also a 9-speaker Rockford Fosgate audio system. Enhanced driver aids include forward collision alert with pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control and automatic high beams. There are two main option packages. The entertainment package incorporates a rear seat DVD player with handheld remote control and wireless headphones, as the towing package has a tow hitch and trailer-pipped wiring harness. There are also several optional accessory and cosmetic trim packages offering items like side mirror covers, lower air dams and cargo mats. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The observations with this review are dependent on our first drive from the 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV 2.0 litres inline-4 plug-in hybrid, automatic, AWD, and observations from your full test in the 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander SL 2.4 litres inline-4, CVT automatic, AWD. Driving. On-road handling feels uninspired. However, the Outlander PHEV comports itself well with a dirt trail. Its twin-motor, all-wheel drive system delivers admirable power and traction in slippery stuff, rendering it a good candidate for soft road car camping excursions. Acceleration. The steering includes a natural feel, with quick turn and yet effort that's light enough for around-town driving. It's easy to keep your Outlander steering straight while traveling. Comfort. The Outlander just isn't as refined as many of the competitors. The seats need more cushioning, and the tire, while nicely weighted and chunky, still feels miles away even at its closest position. The PHEV's cabin is nicer overall since it's offered only within the lineup's top two trims. Seat comfort. The front seats are definitely not plush and provide mediocre comfort. The door and center armrests offer little padding. The rear seats are likewise not overly comfy, plus the middle seat is challenging. The PHEV don't even have a third row seat. Ride comfort. The Outlander handles mild bumps pretty easily, but city potholes and greater bumps at speed significantly upset its composure. It comes down to your lack of suspension design refinement. Noise and vibration. Wind noise is well controlled, plus the tires are exceptionally quiet. Fears some suspension noise over big bumps. Interior. Plenty of headroom and legroom for adults in the leading and second rows, and outward visibility is great. The building is disappointing, though. Utility. The Outlander PHEV walks the road between utility SUV and plug-in family shuttle. Battery pack placement reduces cargo space, but a competent all-wheel drive system might take adventures farther afield. The optional 110-volt power outlet works with 1,500 watts for serious tailgating camping fun. Small item storage. For an SUV of this size, the Outlander has good-sized door pockets, but the top bin is significantly away and also the center console cup holders haven't any anti-tip design. Cargo space. You stop trying very little while using Outlander PHEV. Behind the spine seats, there's 30.4 cubic feet of space available. Folding a corner seats yields 78 cubic feet of space. Technology. In-car tech isn't a particular Mitsubishi strength, Though the offerings together with the PHEV are sufficient, you need to include a 7-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus an optional 9-speaker sound system. Most common driver safety aids are offered on the top trim GT model. Audio and navigation. The 7-inch touchscreen may serve as an interface for audio, Bluetooth and connected apps. No embedded navigation offered. A 6-speaker head unit with dual USB ports and satellite head radio is standard. An optional upgrade is included with 8 speakers as well as a subwoofer. Smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, knowing that's a great thing for drivers who require navigation and own an iPhone or Android phone. Not such nice thing about it for drivers who've opted from smartphones but still need navigation. Driver aids. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert come standard, but other desirable features, forward collision alert, automatic braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, most notable, are reserved for that GT trim level.